Hello, Coventry. How are you doing?
Yeah!
Yeah! Så vi är den. We are två Donald Höst. Let's do this! Cheers! We're back in the bit. Go Coventry! Go Coventry! And dance the blues to a song that's playing on the radio. Let's wait to a song that turns lights up your face. Sway through this now to an empty space. If you say hi, well hi, because my love for you would break my heart too. It's your fault, it's in my arms, tumble like a tower. It's what we say in Icelandic. Skål, Coventry! Your private number, baby. Oh, don't touch me. You're like what I've found out, and after loving I watch out here right now. Hey, I set my sight on you. Yeah, my little couplet. I thought I did not stop it all good. Now it's over. Yeah, I'm gonna say how I am now, baby. Super, alright. Als hij zingen naar jou en afkeren, dan heb je het niet meer aan man. Ooit dat aan de kassa. Is it loud enough? Yeah? It's okay to dance, really. We do it a lot of in Iceland. You honey, you are your wireless back in 52. Lying awake at night and cheating on you. If I was young and didn't stop you coming through. Ow, ow, ow. The different credit for your second symphony. Rewritten by machines and new technology. And now I understand the supernova scene. Ow, ow, ow. We met your children. Ow, ow, ow. What did you tell them? Video kill the radio star. Video kill the radio star. In my heart and in my car. We're carrying while it comes too far. Too far. This is your fucking me. If you don't want me, set me free. Well, exactly who am I supposed to be? You don't know it's just you and fit me. So come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's not the best behavior. So you ain't got that sort of thing. Wow! I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good now. So good. So good. What are you? Wow! I feel nice. Sugar and spice. I feel nice. Sugar and spice. So nice. So nice. What are you? So nice. So nice. What are you? So good. So good. So good. This is a song for the broken hearted. It's a prayer for the faith-hearted. I ain't gonna be just a face in my crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart's like an open highway. The friend said I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. Greyhound from the ball to go. With me now, baby. Oh, oh, oh. When the rebel yelled, she cried, oh, oh, oh. With the midnight hour, baby. Oh, oh, oh. When the rebel yelled, she cried, oh, oh, oh. She walked a nice lady. She wants to sit down, baby. But when I'm tired and lonely, she sees things in my bed. Why set you free and brought it to me, baby? Why set you free? Why did you hear about me? Okay. So you can buy these t-shirts after our show. We'd like to thank you very much, and we'd like to welcome Ruder and you on stage. This will be our last song. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, the Arches. Ruder and you. Thank you, Coventry. Thank you for coming. So this is a slow song for lovers. We're only joking. Yeah. horses. All the same that buy horses. Some of those who buy horses. All the same the workforces. Some of those who work forces.